April 2, 1974. This can't be 74. I guess this lid is mismatched because this toy. I think this is a. I think I know why it says 74. I guess they got a new. I guess they had. I guess the lid broke and they got a salvaged one. It can't be 74. Nope, there's no tilt valve anymore. Nope, this one doesn't have the tilt valve. It's got some standard flapper valve now. I don't think it's supposed to be in here.
They said we could use it.
Why is it still a filling?
This takes a lot of water.
Hold on.
Okay.
Now it feels like I have to show this flushing.
What?
Now I have to do it twice.
Okay, we'll do it.
But I might be able to. Let me see if I can get good. By the way, this toilet drink's on your arm.
I know that.
Because see, it's oldie.
Yeah.
74 is older. I'm thinking I know why it says 74. I have an explanation for that. The original tank was from 1984 1985 cracked and broke. So they went on they found another one salvaged. They bought another one salvaged, and the year was different.
Okay.
Why are we in here? I don't think we're supposed to be in here.
Because you asked to use the bathroom and they said we could use this one. It was your staff, but they said you could go in here.
Oh, I hope it hurries up. My camera just went into low battery. Will it take long because my camera's on low battery?
There it goes.
Okay, there it goes.